Hey, gang, how are you doing? I don't know about you, but today's just going to be a great day. Week 10, Monday morning work. Let's take a look at what we got. We are looking at picturing North America. Okay, so we got this big thing right here, this continent that we live on. So Monday says which continent is shown on the map. Well, I just gave you that information. It is North America. Okay, so all of this up here is North America. Then we have South America down there at the bottom. So we have North America. And then name the three largest countries on the continent. Three largest countries. So the three largest that we have is going to be Canada, the United States, and Mexico. Those would be the three largest. So Canada, United States. Uh-oh, spelt that wrong. And Mexico. All right, that's Monday. Let's move it along to daily practice. 4 times 4, that's equal to 16. 37 minus 8. We cannot take 8 from 7, so we need to borrow 1 and add 1, which will give us 9, and then the 2, so 29. Mark 45 cents. There might be a few different ways to do this. We have a dime right here that looks like a penny, looks like a nickel. There's a penny, another penny, a dime, a nickel, a dime, a penny, and a quarter. So lots of different ways you can do this. I think. For me, let's see. It's going to be easier to do 25, 35, and 45. All right. Circle each digit in the tens place. Okay. So that is going to be the 2, the 5, and the 8. 4 students brought their teacher flowers. If each student gave the teacher 3 flowers, how many did she get? Oh, this is a classic multiplication problem. 4, we have 4 groups, okay? 4 students. And each of the 4 students brought 3 flowers. We have 4 groups of 3, which equals 12. Okay. Statement, command, question, or exclamatory. Did you fly or drive to California? That is a question. If you remember from previous lessons, we call that an interrogative statement, an INT. Get out your math book. That is a command. All right. And we call that an imperative sentence, IMP. All right. Amy asked, who borrowed my eraser? So let's go with Amy asked, comma, quotation, capitalized. So Amy asked, comma, quotation, and then capital H. Who borrowed my eraser? Question mark, end the quotation. Here we go. Lots of different rules with quotations that we'll go over on down the line. Let's get looking at this one. Dallas, Dan's dog, has ate all of his food. Ugh. I've got a few things going on here. First of all, we have Dallas, comma, Dan's dog, or the dog that belongs to Dan. All right. Dan's dog, comma, has ate all his food. Well, this right here, there's so many different ways that we can go with that one. We can say has eaten all of his food, ate all his food, and I think that's the way I want to go. I just want to make that he ate all his food. Singular or plural, cracker. There's just one. That is singular. Okay. For this part of the morning work packet, I went ahead and photocopied those together. Don't be surprised if you see all your morning work photocopied together in one packet as we get throughout the year. It's just a lot easier for me to get them distributed and all that. So if you ever think that you're missing something, make sure you go through all the pages. Double check there. So Rachel looked out her window and saw snow falling. Oh, goodness. I am not a big fan of snow. After 1 hour, she measured the depth of the snow. It was 1.5 inches deep. If the snow continued to fall at the same rate, how deep will the snow be after 3 hours? Oh, this is a kind of a prediction or making a conclusion. So 1 hour. And what did we get? We got 1.5 inches. If it fell at that same rate in 2 hours, we would add 1.5 inches, which is going to give us 3 inches. At the end of 3 hours, so hour 3, add another 1.5 inches, and we're going to get 4.5 inches. All right, looks like they're making for a great snow day, but not a great day for having to shovel snow off the sidewalk or anything like that. All right, minute 36. 9 times 6, that is 54. 1 yard is equal to 3 feet. How many feet are in 3 yards? All right, again, this is a multiplication problem. If we have 1 yard, that's 3 feet. If we had 3 yards, so 3 yards times 3 feet in every yard is going to give us 9 feet. 30 divided by 6 is 5. 6 quarters is equal to how many dimes? Well, 6 quarters is going to give us $1.50. So we have 100, check that. We have 10 dimes from the dollar and 5 dimes for the 50 cents. It's going to give us 15 dimes. We'll add 6 plus 5, that's 11. And then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 91. What kind of pattern do we have here? 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. And then 67 minus 18. We cannot take 8 from 7, so we need to borrow 1, add 1. That'll be 9, 49. And then use the circle graph to complete questions 8 through 10. So which fruit is the most popular? I believe that would be the watermelon. Which fruit is the least popular? Well, I believe that's going to be the kiwi. And then the number of people who like apples the best is equal to the number of people who like pears and which other fruit. All right, so the people that like apple, we have 30 people that like apples. All right, and so what we need to do, and I'll do my work done in here. So 30 people like the apples, and that needs to be equal to the number of people that like pears and another fruit. So pears is 10. So what we need is another fruit that is equal to 20, because 20 plus a 10 will equal 30. And that 20 is the orange. Okay. All right, let's see if we can't get the minute stuff over here knocked out before the 8 o'clock bell rings here at school. So if you hear that, just don't worry about a thing. Circle the incorrect noun in each sentence and then write it correctly. Each sentence has one singular noun that must be changed. So, one singular noun. The leaf change. Nope, that's not right. The leaves, Leaves. They are all playing elf in the school play. No, they're all playing elves, Elves. There are 6 persons shopping in the store. Oh my goodness. 6 people. The 3 women wore pretty dresses today. That would be women. Two ox are walking in the field. This is called oxen, Oxen. I saw 2 mouse run by the cheese. Nope, mice. My new pair of shoes hurt my foot all day. Hurt my feet. The mother cow is feeding the 3 calves. All of the children went on the school field trip. Oh, I even corrected it in my mind. All the child went? No, all the children. And then take out 5 knife for the dinner table. That's going to be knives, Knives. And I'm going to go back and get this fixed because it's supposed to be circle. The incorrect, so we'll go ahead and circle those right there. The English language is very difficult sometimes when it comes to making things from singular to plural. So there you have it. Monday morning work done, ready to go. And we'll see what Tuesday brings for us.